Heard this Roblox sound 1,000 times, but do you know where it came from? Like every time someone falls off an obby? Yeah, that one. Most players think Roblox made it, but Roblox didn't create that sound at all. It actually came from a completely different game. A game from the year 2000 called Messiah. Which means every time someone dies in Roblox, you're hearing a sound from a game older than Roblox itself. And it gets even crazier. Roblox had to remove the original ALF sound in 2020 because of licensing. So now I need to know something. Do you remember the old ALF sound? Or only the new one? Because once you hear it again, you realize this sound existed before Roblox.